Hello students, how are you? I think all you're fine at your home, isn't it? Yes, very good my students. So today we are going to begin with the new poem. So the name of the poem is Macavity, the Mystery Cat. Okay, so this is the name of the poem here. So here in this poem what we are going to learn? We are going to learn something about a mystery cat. Okay, what is the meaning of the mystery here? The meaning of the mystery is clever, criminal, and who used to hide herself, okay, from a eyes of police. And here the cat is doing all kind of wrong activities, indulging in illegal activities, and this cat is doing a theft, okay, and roaming here and there in the city and doing all another kind of illegal activities. And this cat is breaking the laws and orders of the police. So this cat is not bothered about anything. So he is indulging in every other kind of illegal activities and interfering in every work. So everyone are totally fed up with this. Okay, this is what about the mystery cat, what we are going to learn today. So here what it is there in, do you have a pet cat? Do you have a pet cat? Yes, I am have a pet cat. What about you? Might be you having a pet cat in your home. Is it? In villages and even in towns, cats are available here and there. So we no need to go and purchase. Okay, it is not like a city. So cats are available. So we can keep some milk to it for a drinking purpose, and when after drinking milk they will remain in our home and they will become a best friend of us. So it is all about, do you have a pet cat? Fine. Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? Yeah, might be you have noticed something mysterious about it, something that uneven thing this cat is doing here. And this cat is not bothered about those kind of activities, and when you become angry you will make sound and this cat will run away and it is not going to be catched by us. So here it is what about the mystery activities. It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery. So every cat is not a mystery. Some of them, okay, they do such kind of theft activities, okay, under our eyes, and we don't know about this. But Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Read the poem and find out. So here in the poem we have a Macavity cat. Okay, this cat is a Macavity, and this cat is very clever, bold, courageous, and intelligent, even criminal minded. And this cat do all kind of illegal activities, and it will run and save its life, okay, under the eyes of the police. Even police couldn't able to catch this cat. So everyone are totally fed up with this. So Macavity is the name which is famous in the city. Everyone knows this cat and they will get a threat of Macavity cat. So everyone get afraid from this cat. So here let's begin with the poem here. Fine. Okay, let's start. Macavity's a mystery cat. He's called the hidden Pau. So here Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden Pau. So this cat is a such kind of hidden cat. So this cat is always doing another kind of activities and hiding itself. So the meaning of the Macavity is hidden cat, a cat which used to be hidden by someone, okay, due to its threat of catching. Fine. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. This cat is a master of criminal. Okay, this cat is criminal minded and think everything, okay, illegal activities. And this cat is going to disturb everyone because it is doing theft of food, of drinks, okay, and taking some precious materials of people's and running away here and there and roaming freely in the city and never caught by the police. Okay, here He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads disappear. Then what happens? Here, what do you mean by the word bafflement? The meaning of the word bafflement is here. This cat is never catched by the police of the Scotland. So Scotland Yard is the name of the police. So it is the headquarter of the police which is situated in the Scotland here. All right, it is situated in the Scotland. So here, meaning of bafflement is unable to understand. Here even the Scotland police couldn't able to understand this cat because this cat is very clever. So the flying squads disappear in front of this, okay, Scotland police. This flying squad disappear and it never going to be caught by this police. For when they reach the scene of crime, when the police comes, when the flying squad, okay, very urgently reach to the scene of crime, then what happens? McAvity not there. Then what happens? McAvity is not available there. Fine. So this is the what about the McAvity cat. Fine. McAvity. There's no one like McAvity. Okay. Then he's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So everyone, okay, telling McAvity, there's no one like McAvity. Everyone are telling McAvity is like this, and there is no one, okay, like McAvity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Then what happens? Okay, this McAvity cat broken every human laws, okay, and even he breaks the law of gravity. Even this McAvity cat breaks the law of gravity. So you know which is the law of gravity? The law of gravity is what? When the ball is thrown upwards and again it will comes in a more speed downwards to the ground. So this law of gravity is also broken by the McAvity because McAvity jumps from one place to another building to another building, another kitchen to another kitchen, and this cat never going to be fall on the earth. So that's why it is considered that this cat he has broken the law of gravity. Fine. Here, his power of levitation would make a fakir stare. His power of levitation make a fakir stare. When the cat jumps from one place to another, then it seems that this cat is flying. It is a flying bird. So the meaning of the levitation is can fly away without any help, without any feathers, okay, and would make a fakir stare. Everyone start looking and glazing on this cat, looking constantly and thinking this cat is a totally, okay, unfeathered bird which can fly here and there and never going to be fall on the ground. So this cat can be considered here levitative cat, okay, which never going to be fall and can fly here and there without the help of feathers. And when you reach the scene of crime, McAvity not there. And when you are going to reach the scene of the crime, when the police comes, McAvity not there. It will flew somewhere and no one is going to be find this McAvity cat. Yes, you may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. You may seek in the basement. You may look up in the air. McAvity will available everywhere. Okay, here it is under the table also, under the box, under the some another big object, and in the air. Everywhere it is available, but never catched by anyone. It will flew, okay, in front and under the eyes of the police and the peoples. But I tell you once and once again, McAvity is not there. Here the poet is telling, I told you several times, okay, not once, several times, that McAvity not catched by anyone. It is a McAvity which will flew somewhere, okay, in the span of seconds. Yes, another thing. McAvity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Okay, Macavity is okay, a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. So here the meaning of the ginger is coat color of cat. So did you see in some cats? Okay, which color is some? So this is kind of ginger cat and it is available everywhere. So here what is written on this sticker? Macavity is not there. A lift the flap book. So it is a book, such kind of a book which is written by a teenagers, and it is written about a Macavity. See, Macavity is eating a food and the color of the Macavity is ginger, which looks like a coat. Okay, when you're wearing the blazers, when the blazers is like this kind of colors, so that color can be considered here ginger. Let's take another example of the same. Let's see the Macavity cat, okay, in the structure of human being, in the structure of a man. This is the another picture of a Macavity. Okay, see, a man has weared a ginger colored clothes, okay, which is made up of the feathers, and he looks like a Macavity cat, and this cat is so dangerous and fly anywhere, okay, from one building to another building. No one is going to catch this cat. So this cat is a clever one. So these two pictures are kept here for a better understanding of a Macavity cat. Now let's begin with the poem. Macavity, a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin, as you seen in the pictures. You, you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. If you will know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Might you have seen, might you have know his name, and might you have seen his eyes are sunken in. What do you mean by the word sunken? Sunken is a word, it is a suffering of a cat. You have seen your cat which having some closed eyes. When the cat looks like, it means that cat is suffering from fever. It is not so good. It is sitting as it is, and it is not paying attention to anyone. Okay, if someone rat comes in a home, if the cat is sunken, it is not going to catch that rat, it will leave that rat, okay, as it is. So here sunken comes to a cat when it's not feeling well, and it is sleeping consistently from last 2 to 3 days. So at that time what we have to do, we should take care about our cat. We should give it some medicines, okay, which will give it some power. So how you are going to know about sunken cat? Okay, just you have to open its mouth and you have to check it. Is it pink color is there on the tongue of the cat? Otherwise, if there is no pink color, if the saliva of the cat is somehow sticky, then it means your cat is sunken and your cat is not feeling well. But here what do you mean by sunken in the poem? This cat feels like a sunken, but it is not sunken cat. Okay, this cat is a good one, this cat is a clever one, but never looks like sunken. That's why you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Okay, it looks like this cat is suffering from fever, but this cat is doing a drama. This cat is doing drama to get away from the catchers. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. See here, okay. His brow is deeply lined. See the eyebrows of the cats. Okay, they were deeply lined. See how it is seeing. Somehow it is semicircle. Okay, up on the eyes. So these cat having some doubts. Okay, is it? His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. The meaning of the domed is circle in shape. Okay, his head is totally circle. Okay, it is round head and it is circle in shape. Fine. All right, now goes to another portion of the poem. Yes, his coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Okay, then what this line means here? His coat is dusty from neglect, and you seen the coat, the cat which is wearing. It is too dusty. It is not washed from last few many days, and here and this dusty cat is neglecting its dust, and it seems that like that I am very neat and tidy. Okay, there is no dust on my body, so it is neglecting its dust, it is neglecting its untidy coat. His whiskers are uncombed. What do you mean by the word whiskers? Okay, did you see on the cat face? It's having some motion, mouthish, and some having some beards, some big 2 and 3 beards it's having, is it? You have seen here. Yes, the okay, and that thing is called the whiskers, where it is not cleaned and it was kept as it is. The cat, did you notice the cat is cleaning its whole body every day? Because cat used to keep its body very clean, but this Macavity cat is not going to be clean its coat, even its body and its beards and its mustache are kept as it is, and they were not clean at all. Okay, and they were uncombed. Okay, they were not combed properly. Fine. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. So what happens here with the Macavity cat? Okay, here the cat moves its head here and there, up and down. Okay, and somewhere there and somewhere here, watching everywhere. Okay, someone going to attack him. Okay, every time a planning is running in his mind. Okay, then with movements like a snake, and when going to be do something theft activity, then moving like a snake without noticed by anyone, slowly going and attacking and doing such kind of robbery uh, in the home of the owners. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And when you are thinking that this cat is sleeping, now we are going to catch it, but it is a wrong thinking of yourself, because this cat is every time waking up. Okay, and it is not paying attention to anyone, but it is giving some attention to whom he is caught, and who is coming towards this cat to catch him. So that's why every time it is sleeping, but sleeping half, and one eye is opened and one eye is closed. Fine. Then what else here? Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. Okay, for he's a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Okay, for he's a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. So, what is the meaning of these words? Okay, this cat is so clever, and here this cat is paying attention to everyone, and this cat seems like okay human being, because this cat is breaking all the rules and regulation which were made by the humans, and it is doing all kind of illegal activities. That's why he is a fiend, he is a criminal in feline shape, in a shape of human beings, in a okay structure of human body. And here he having something idea, a deep criminal mind, even criminal mind. Okay, like some human criminals having this kind of mind it's having, and its shapes also look like a monster of depravity. Here the meaning of depravity means, okay, here you are going to get moral corruption, it is totally corrupted. Okay, and this corrupted, it is dual, and here dual, and this cat is relating to a cat. Okay, this feline shape, a monster of depravity, this cat is doing all the activities what the human beings are doing, but it's a cat, all right, a monster of depravity. Fine, and it is corrupted, and it is a evil cat. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity not there. Fine, you will see this cat everywhere, anywhere, but when the crime was conducted, and this cat is not going to be there. So this is what we learned about the Macavity cat, and it is written by T.S. Eliot. This writer is one of the great writer, and he wrote many such poems, okay, extracts, even he scripted many stories also, and this is the one of the writer here. Okay, very good writer. So here we have some meaning of, okay, some difficult words which are included here in this poem. Just read out. Defy, defy, Disobey or resist openly. So here this cat is disobeying, resist openly to the laws and orders of the police. Okay, where the police were going to catch him, he is going to do some crime activity somewhere in the city. Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the London Police Force. Okay, it's called Scotland Yard. Flying squad, a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action. Okay, they were ready to move into action and they are going to catch this cat, but this cat is not going to be there. And this cat oneself having its own flying squad, because it can move here and there without under the eyes of the flying squad of the Scotland police. See, levitation, floating in the air without support. Okay, and here this cat defeated the law of gravity. Fiend, it means devil. Okay, doing all kind of devil activities, evil activities. Okay, and this is not tolerated by anyone. Feline, of or relating to a cat. Feline means this cat doing all kind of human criminal activities, but it is a cat itself. And here this cat broken all the rules, regulation, laws and orders of the police. Depravity, this cat is morally corrupted. So this is what there in the whole glossary part. Fine, now here we completed the poem. So okay, read this poem, okay, and listen it, and whatever you did learn, write a short summary on it. Here you have to correlate this cat with your own cat. Okay, here you have a homework, students. Write it down. The homework is correlate this cat with your own pet cat. Is your pet cat is like this or different one? So what are the qualities are there in your own cat and this McVitie cat? Here you have to do the differentiation. Okay, listen my question and write down its answer there in your fair notebook. All right, students, read this stanzas carefully and try to understand this poem. Fine, students, have a nice day. Goodbye.